Another day, and it's time to go. Yes, after 9 hours we have to go. um, let's just get to Poland. Yeah, let's try to unload today. Maybe it's going to happen. Okay, so welcome to Slovakia. Almost. As you can see, there is no one here. There is no disinfection. Yeah, no control. So I guess that the virus is okay. Yeah, everything is done. Yes, we are in Slovakia. I had to overtake you guys, yeah, because holy shit, they were driving like 70, you know, like come on. When speed limit is 90 and you are driving 70, there is something wrong with you, okay? Seriously. As you can see, we are going down in Slovakian mountains. Yes, I have 88 kilometers to Poland. Yeah, but we have a huge traffic jam in front of us. Yeah, I don't know exactly why. Probably because of road works, because apparently it is like that. Yeah, and obviously because of this we can forget about being on time, yeah, in this company. So like, listen, I have noticed that everyone, you know, in every country, they are repairing highways and roads, you know, during summer. Yeah, like people will go for holiday, yeah, and so on. No, they will repair highways, you know, and everything. Like, you will be stuck in traffic, you know, like, fuck you. Go fuck yourself, yeah? You and your holiday. It's like I don't know, like, aren't you able to do it like after summer, you know, autumn, like spring, stuff like that? Like, holy shit. I'm talking especially about Romania and Bulgaria, yeah, but as well about Slovakia, because that's one of the transit roads, yeah. But you know, Romania, Bulgaria, like, so many people will go to Turkey for holiday by car, you know, or buses, like stuff like that. Everyone will be stuck in traffic. Like, you have seen in Romania, you know, I have showed you this traffic. Like, everyone will be stuck in traffic. It's like, I don't know. That's a nice water, right? I would wash myself in this water. Yes, I need a shower. I have a plan to stop at Polish border, yeah, at this parking there, to basically take shower. I failed to show you this, but one guy behind me, he was trying to overtake me, but he saw that cars are coming here, you know, and he was like slowing down. But at the same time I had to slow down, you know, because we are not able to go so fast here. So it was really dangerous. You know, people are rushing, you know, they don't want to live, they just want to die on the road, overtaking trucks and other cars. Okay, I don't have problem with that, yeah, I don't have problem with that. If you want to die like that, be my guest. It's kinda natural selection, yeah? Because, you know, we need to get rid idiots from society so we can be stronger, yeah? We can be better. We can contribute more to society, right? Yeah, it is like that. If you are basically putting nothing to society, yeah, and you are just taking, like, why the hell are you supposed to live? Right? Like, am I crazy? Or like, I don't know, like, seriously. Because I know people that they are just taking, you know, they're just taking from society, you know, and from like government systems and so on. They're just taking, you know, like wasting resources, and they are putting nothing back. Like nothing, you know, like they don't make things better, you know. Like, quite the opposite, you know, like, holy shit. Like, why we need that kind of people, you know? Like, that's the logical question, you know, like, I don't know, maybe I sound like a German from 1930s, you know, or 40s, but I don't like Germans, okay? Just for the record. Especially those from 1930s and 1940s, okay? Especially. But, you know, it's just logical way of thinking, yeah? Because if someone is working, you know, if his work is, if he has a job, or she, yeah? Person has a job, and this job is like, you know, doing good for society, yeah? And so on, for country, you know, for like, whatever, you know, whatever. They are putting something back, you know? So everything around them is better. Then, like, okay, they are taking as well, yeah? From society to make things better, yeah? But if someone is just, like, not working, you know, and they're just taking and wasting resources and even like damaging this kind of system that we have right now, you know, and so on, then like, why we need those people, you know, like, why? Why? Can you give me can you give me like a good reason why, you know? Is there any reason why? A good one, you know, a logical reason that will convince people, like, logically, you know, without playing with their emotions? Because right now they all want to play with your emotions, you know. That's what they do. That's what they do. Because it works. It works. Because not so many of us can hold our emotions, our feelings, you know, and so on. Like, I'm able to do it, you know. I can say I don't fucking care, you know, and I just don't care, you know. So sometimes people think that, oh, he's joking, so like, no, I mean it, okay? I just mean it. If I say I don't care, I just don't give a fuck, okay? Like, you can live, you can die, I don't give a fuck, okay? That's the power that I have. But yeah, this power comes from basically restraining my emotions, you know, and feelings, because come on, you cannot feel compassion to everyone. Like, some people, they just don't deserve it, you know. That's it. Some people, they deserve to basically be banished, you know, like, get the fuck out of my face, yeah? Or start working and start, I don't know, like, doing something good, you know, for society and so on. Because, like, otherwise, why the hell are you alive, you know? At the first point, you know, like, why you are alive if you are just wasting everything and destroying, you know, and putting nothing back, yeah? Yeah. Crazy, you know, a crazy time to be alive, right? Oh yeah, look at this, we have our traffic jam, look at this. Look at this, oh my god, Google Maps is saying additional 29 minutes. Holy shit. So yes, as I told you, roadworks, because they are doing something with the bridge, yeah. Hopefully they can finish this before holiday, because holy shit, it's going to be hell right here, yeah. Madness. Oh, come on. Okay, the bridge is actually up to 40 tons, 12.3 tons per axle. Okay, obviously we are lighter than that, yeah. And this Peugeot driver in front of me is just fucking annoying. But you know, Peugeot drivers are like that. Oh my god. This bridge is just temporary, okay? Okay, let's floor it. Okay, we got this. Now let's watch those people here, how they are suffering. Yeah. I was suffering like that, but on the other side. Yes. That's right. That's right. You know what? I have still 40 kilometers to Poland. I'm just taking this break here because holy shit, there are so many roadworks, you know, idiots driving below the speed limit. Like, holy shit, how you can get somewhere on time? Oh my god. Okay, so we are on the road again and we are almost in Poland. Yeah, I have to slow down. I have 114 kilometers. Yes, 114 to this company. And technically I will be there before closing, but it will be just, you know, like 40 minutes before closing, so it's kinda shit. Anyway, I can see that they will ask me what kind of load I have. Yeah. Yes, so as I told you, the guy was just asking me what kind of load I have. Yeah, they still have this disinfection operation going on, yeah, here. Okay, like, anyway, welcome to Poland, yeah, welcome to Rzeczypospolita Polska. Are we stopping? Not so much. Nah, we are just going. Hello and welcome. It's Monday. Yeah, it is Monday. Let me show you. Give me a moment. Oh my god. Oh, look. Monday. Yeah, it's Monday, 2nd of June, and yes, I'm still in my truck. Yeah, I'm driving to my company. That's the last day. Yes. Yeah, today it's over. Yeah, it's over. That's the last vlog, you know, from Balkans, you know, from Turkey. The last video. After this video there will be just one more video that I already recorded. Yeah. And I will just, you know, I will say a few words about my experience of driving there and why I'm leaving, you know, and so on. So there's going to be just one more, but, you know, a bit different one. Yeah. What I can say, we had a blast, you know, that was great. 2 years, more than 2 years, and that's a tractor. Oh my god, we have to slow down, we have to stop. Actually, we have to stop. Damn. Yeah, I have just 10 kilometers, yeah, and I was about to overtake him, you know, but this car is there. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna wait. Yeah. Yeah, we have time because it's just 1 p.m. in Poland. Yeah, we have time. It's basically 22 degrees outside. Nice weather. It was raining, so the tarmac is wet. Maybe right now. But do you see those bushes there? I'm not able to see everything, yeah, but maybe. Right now. Oh yeah, that's just in time. That is just in time. Lucky, you know, we are lucky. What I can say more? Yeah. So that's it. Oh my god. I still remember driving to Mersin, you know, Antalya, Fethiye. Oh my god. coastline, right? So many things happened, you know. I have met so many people. I have to visit those people, you know, but not with truck. Yeah, no, with motorcycle. Yeah, because I will go like this year, not this month, but probably next month or maybe 2 months later. I will go to Turkey with motorcycle. Yeah, I will visit, you know, the same places and the same people. Yeah, it's going to be nice. I will have a lot of time to drive motorcycles because of the job that I'm taking. Yeah, after this job, I will still drive trucks. I still have to go, yeah, to this new company to basically set details, you know, and everything. But if everything will be nice, you know, and we're gonna sign the contract, then I will have a lot of time to ride motorcycles. Yeah. Oh my god. Finally, I will take my life back, you know. That's very important. Because you cannot work, you know, all the time. Like, come on. Even if you like your job, you know, like me. I like it, you know. I fucking love it. But at the same time, it's just job, yeah? It is just job. Like, it is not the whole life, yeah? Like, life itself, it is much more than any job, yeah? That's why I want to have just more free time, so I can have more of different things in life, you know? That's how it works, because, come on. I'm almost 30 years old, yeah? Which means that if I'm going to be lucky, then I have another 30 years of life before my body will start to fail, you know, like major health issues, stuff like that. Maybe it's going to be just 25 years more, you know, or maybe it's going to be 20 years more and my body will start to fail, you know, and I won't be able to do all the things that I want to do, right? You never know. Maybe it's going to be just 5 years. Holy shit, you never know. So it is very important just to live, yeah? Just to live. Yeah. So I think that's it, yeah. This trip was basically 13 days. Yeah, we can say 2 weeks, yeah, 2 weeks. Many days I was just doing nothing, yeah, waiting. Future me is going to write you how much money I got, yes. And yeah, and I guess that's it, you know, I guess that's it. See you in the next one, yeah? Very soon, you know, very soon.